everyone, welcome to Vijay Chemistry. And today we are going to discuss about the very important concept in electrochemistry, that is Faraday law of electrolysis. Okay. Now today we are going to discuss two important laws and followed by the previous year question. Okay. Now note, what is Faraday law? Please, a very important point. The Faraday describe the quantity. Please note the quantitative relationship between very important point, electrical current and chemical change, very important, and chemical change in terms of two laws. You got the point. What is the important relation here? Okay, electrical current and what? Chemical change. Okay, very important. Okay, now see the first law. Please note the Faraday first law. Faraday's first law. Okay. Please note the definition, very important. Please note. See, the mass of chemical substance. Please note. The mass of chemical substance. Deposited at electrodes. Is directly proportional to the quantity of, very important, the quantity of electricity pass through the electrolytic solution. Okay, pass through the electrolytic solution. See, very simple. Okay, take on electrolytic cell. What is electrolytic cell now? Cathode, anode contain only single cell. Okay, this is cathode, this is anode. This is a solution. Okay, electrolyte circuit. What is electrolysis pass? I'm going to give the current. Okay, the molecule solution la vande current கொடுத்து molecule. Okay, this electrical current is converted to a chemical change. That is called electrolysis. What is electrolysis? Current கொடுத்து I going to observe what? The chemical change between the solutions. Okay. Now, please know the formula. What is the important definition? The mass of chemical substance deposited at the electrode that directly proportional to what? The quantity of electricity passed through the electrolytic solution, right? What is the important formula? W. Okay. What is amount of mass of chemical substance directly proportional to what? It's a mass of chemical substance directly proportional to quantity of electricity, right? That is Q. Now what is Q? Q is equal to what? Q is charge. Please note. Q is charge. What is W? That is mass. Now what is Q? Q is equal to IT, current into time. That is Q, right? Now note the formula. The W is equal to W directly proportional to what? IT. Now if you remove the proportionality, I put constant. That is very important. W is equal to ZIT. That is very important. Please, what is Z? That is electrochemical equivalent. Okay. Note what is Z? Very important term. That is electrochemical. Please note. Electrochemical equivalent. Okay. Now what is Z equal to? Z equal to what? Equivalent weight by Faraday. What is Z? Equivalent weight Faraday. Now what is the equivalent weight? Equivalent weight is equal to what? Equivalent is equal to the molecular weight divided by n factor. This is two important formula. Okay, what is Z now? Z, what is Z? Electrochemical equivalent. What is Z equal to? What is Z equal to? Equivalent weight by Faraday. What is equivalent weight? Molecular weight by n factor. Now substitute these two formula to in W. What I get? W is equal to what? High M molecular mass into I into T by what? N into F. This is a formula. Very important formula. Using this formula, we can find out what? The mass of substance can deposit at the respective electrodes. Okay. What is the important basic fundamental formula? W or directly proportional to Q. What is Q up now? Charge. What is charge? I into T. Okay. If you remove the proportional, I put the Z. What is Z? It's a constant, right? This is electrochemical equivalent. What is electrochemical equivalent now? Equivalent by Faraday. What is equivalent by molecular by N factor? Okay. Using this formula, we can solve what? We can solve the Faraday first law concept. Understand? It's a very simple one, right? Now I'm going to explain what is Faraday's second law. Note. Please note that is Faraday's second law. It is very simple. Second law. Now see. What is the important definition? Please note definition. The mass of, please note, the mass of different chemical substance. The mass of different chemical substance produce chemical substance. The produce at electrode, respective electrode during please note during the electrolysis process. Very important, ma. During the electrolysis or directly proportional to, very important point, directly proportional to the equivalent weight. Very important, please. The equivalent weight. Very important formula, please note. Okay, listen. This is a very important sentence. What is the important sentence? Equivalent weight. Now, what is the formula we know already? Listen, I take now example. I take electrolysis of silver, AgNO3 and a copper sulfate. I take this one, okay, 2 copper sulfate. Now, what is weight of copper sulfate? I discussed already first law. Weight of copper sulfate equal to what? Is that equivalent weight of Ag into IT, current in time, right? Similarly, weight of copper, that is equal to what? The equivalent weight of copper and I into T. Now, what is the ratio of Ag by copper? Now note. The equivalent weight of Ag by weight of copper equal to Z into Ag into IT divided by Z into copper into IT. Now what is going to happen? This value cut, right? I cancel, TT, because same time, same current. Now what does the formula become? That is equivalent weight of Ag by equivalent weight of copper. Equivalent weight of copper. Understand? Very simple. Because listen, what is equivalent weight? What is Z equal to? Equivalent by Faraday, right? Faraday can cancel. You got the point. Therefore, what is the important formula now? The weight of Ag and divided by and weight of copper equal to what? Equivalent weight of Ag by equivalent weight of copper. This important formula in what? The second law of Faraday, second law. Got the point? Okay. Using this two law, we can go into what? Solve the previous questions. 2 questions. Okay. One question based on Faraday first law, and next question Faraday based on Faraday second law. Understand? Very simple, right? What is Faraday first law? Okay, the amount directly proportional to what? The amount of electrode, okay, amount of substance a deposit directly proportional to what? I into T, right? What is I na? Current, T na time. Listen, maximum the question W will listen. Can you make W கேட்கலாம் ரைட்டா? பைட் கேட்பாங்க. வேற I கேட்கலாம். I na current கேட்கல, time கேட்கலாம். N is F கண்டுபிடி. N வந்து constant. N வந்து N factor. Okay, based on the substance கொடுத்திருக்கு. Al2 plus na N factor 2. Al3 plus na N factor 3. Cu plus na N factor 1. Cu2 plus na N factor 2. ஒரு மெட்டல் என்ன கொடுத்தாங்கன்னா அது சார்ஜ் தான் N factor. We can easily find out N factor. What is F Faraday? What is Faraday value? Please note. That is 96500 coulomb approximate value. See, okay? It is a constant value, right? Maximum question asking only W கேட்பாங்க. Weight of substance, the mass of substance can deposit at electrode கேட்கலாம். இந்த செகண்ட்ல என்ன கேட்க முடியும்? சிம்பிள் ரைசி. क्वेश्चनல வந்து காப்பர் கொடுத்துட்டு Ag கேட்கலாம். இல்ல Ag கொடுத்துட்டு சப்போஸ் weight of the copper deposit கொடுத்துட்டு weight of the copper கேட்கலாம். Okay, weight of the Ag கேட்கலாம். இல்ல क्वेश्चनல weight of the copper கொடுத்து weight of the Ag கேட்கலாம். புரியுதா? அப்ப Ag கொடுத்து copper கேட்பான், இல்ல copper கொடுத்து Ag கேட்பான். Two type of question maximum in exam they will come. Okay, now see the first question. Okay, read the question. Determine the time T கேட்டிருக்கான். The time required, determine the time required a deposit of 100 gram of aluminum. But W kuduthurana, what is W? That is 100 gram. Is given 100 gram. Okay. Now what is asking? T is asking, right? T ketirukka. Of the current density, that is I kuduthurana. What is I apna? I is equal to 124 ampere. All in electrolysis process, Al2O3. Okay, Al2O3 in the presence of solvent Na2, AlF6. Now assume that the position of aluminum is only cathode reaction. Cathode, listen, please note. Cathode always undergo reduction. Cathode reaction reduction. In the aluminum, what is the oxidation state? Al2O3? Aluminum plus 3, right? Yes, sir. Therefore, Al3 plus 3 electron, they become what? Al. How many electrons involved in the reaction? 3. Therefore, N factor is 3. Right. Now, what is the simple formula? W is equal to Z into IT. Yes or no? Simple. Okay. What is Z? You know, molecular weight by W is equal to what? W is equal to, that is equivalent weight, right? Equivalent weight by N factor into IT. Now, what is equivalent weight? Molecular weight by, okay, Faraday. Okay, this is Faraday. Molecular weight, but W is equal to the molecular weight into IT by N into F. Understand? Simple, right? Yes or no? What is molecular weight of aluminum? Aluminum deposit, right? That is aluminum molecular weight of 27. Now you know all the value, right? You know the molecular weight. Listen, you know the molecular weight 27, right? 27 value. Then what is I? I is given 124 ampere. What is time? What is time? The question right? What is W? 100 gram. What is N? 3. What is 1 Faraday? What is 1 Faraday is equal to 96500. Okay. Now try this question. Substitute all the value and tell the answer in comment section. Okay. I go for next question. Okay. I hope you send the answer. Second question. In electrolysis, an AgNO3 and copper sulfur system. Okay. Now, AgNO3, listen. AgNO3 deposit, AgNO3 solution and copper sulfur solution. CUSO. Okay. System in the same time same, right? What is the same time? What is the gram of copper deposited? Copper deposit or copper deposit. What is copper deposited? That equal to what? 12.7 gram given. It is electrode. What will be the mass of Ag? Question mass of W of what? Ag question. Understand? W of copper. Then what is the formula we know, right? Weight of Ag by weight of copper. That equal to what? Equal weight of Ag by equal weight of copper. Now what is the equal weight? Molecular weight by N factor, right? Molecular weight by N factor. N factor. Simple. In AgNO3, very important. In AgNO3, what is the oxidation of silver here? Ag plus NO3 minus, right? Therefore, charge plus 1. Therefore, Z is what? N factor is equal to 1. You got the point. Sometimes they call Z factor. Okay, Z is pronoun. You can use N because Z is pronoun. You will confuse what electrochemical equal. Okay. Now copper sulfate, CuSO4, or Cu 2 plus SO4 2 minus. So what is N factor? That is what? That is 2. Therefore, what is equal weight of Ag? Is equal to what is the molecular mass? 107, right? Therefore, 107.8 by 1. That is equal weight. What is equal weight of copper? Equal weight of copper is equal to what? N factor 2. Therefore, 63.5 by 2. Understand? That equal to what? How much value? You can find out simply, right? To values the compound. Yes or no? But we can apply this value and using this value, we can find out what? Copper of Ag, right? Asking what? They are asking copper weight of Ag only, right? Weight of Ag is equal to weight of Ag is equal to what is equal weight of Ag? 107 by 1. Okay. What is equal weight of copper? Reverse paniklama. About 2 into 63.5 into weight of copper. What is weight of copper? 12.7. Understand? You substitute all the what is the final value? The weight of Ag is equal to what? It's around 43.12 gram. Okay, simple, right? Using this formula, we can get the answer, right? Simple one. If you understand the concept and apply the formula to the question, we will get the simple answer without a simple calculation only, right? The period calculation, okay, you get simple calculation. We did this question. Understand? I hope you understand the Faraday laws. Okay, tell me the answer in first question. Tell me the answer in comment section. And tata, bye bye. See you in the studio as soon as possible. Take care.